One of our veterans came down here 2 days after a suicide attempt. He awakened his roommate accidentally. And when his roommate went in to check on the perturbation and noise, which he had no idea what was going on, this veteran was sitting in the corner of the room crying, pistol to his head, safety off, and ready to kill himself. He managed to help get this guy on the phone with me, and we found out he was eligible for this study and brought him down here. This guy today is no longer suicidal, going back to now the service. He'll be retired very shortly, and he's going to be joining his family business. He has a new lease on life, totally changed. Another one was in the process of getting divorced from his wife. While he was down here, his change in conversation on the phone with his estranged wife was so different, and she noticed this, that she came to visit him. They are now terminating their separation and getting back together. So what we're seeing is not just an effect on symptoms, but an effect on the entire lives of these guys who have been so injured in the service of our country. And that's another beauty of this work.